Hello. Today, let's consume or eat a delicious pitaya. That's awesome. The pitaya is the fruit of several different cactus species indigenous to the Americas. Pitaya usually refers to fruit of the genus Stenocereus, while pitaya, or dragon fruit, refers to fruit of the genus Selenicereus, both in the family Cactaceae. Dragon fruit is cultivated in Southeast Asia, India, and the United States, the Caribbean, Australia, Mesoamerica, and throughout tropical and subtropical world regions. The dragon fruit is so delicious, and she looks so beautiful, as you can see. Oh, it's a nice food because it brings you so much good stuff for your body. The fruit's texture is sometimes likened to that of the kiwi fruit because of its black crunchy seeds. The seeds oil contains the fatty acids linoleic acid and linolenic acid too. The dragon fruit is used to flavor and color juices and alcoholic beverages, such as dragon's blood punch and the dragotini. The flowers can be eaten or steeped as a tea. The red and the purple colors of some Selenicereus fruits are due to beta-cyanes, a family of pigments that includes betanin, the same substance that gives beets Swiss chard and amaranth their red color. If we are going to consume one of that fruit, approximately 100 gram, it comes with 260 kilogram. Kilocalories. 82 gram of carbohydrates, 82.14 grams sugars, and let's consume it by using a knife. We are cutting off now the upper side and the bottom side first, because that is not so delicious, that area, and you can see it is easy to cut. And now it brings you the awesome dragon color to you. 3.57 gram of proteins and a lot of vitamin C, 9.2 milligram. Then calcium, 107 milligram, and sodium. Now we are cutting the dragon fruit in two pieces, as you can see. Oh, this beautiful and so delicious dragon fruit looks so nice. Let's take a spoon. And now we can eat so easily the inside of the entire dragon fruit, and we can enjoy these awesome colors and awesome taste. It tastes so good, and the black little rocks inside, the little nuts, are not undelicious. You can't know that there are, because they are so neutral, and the other entire fruit meat makes so much delicious delicious taste inside your mouth by eating that kind of dragon fruit. Nutrient content of a raw pitaya has not been thoroughly analyzed or published as of 2019. The USDA Food Data Central Database reports one limited product label entry from a manufacturer of a branded product. That's funny, isn't it? Shown that 100 grams, 3.5 ounce reference serving of dried pitaya provides 1,100 kilojoules. These are 264 kilocalories of food energy, 82% carbohydrates, 4% proteins, and 11% of the daily value reach for vitamin C and calcium. That's a power food, and you see it's really easy to eat. Only slide using your knife, slide a little bit from the upper side and the bottom side, and then slide them into two pieces, and then you can start on having a meal with a spoon. Job's done. You also can make nice textures with it if you are an artist. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.